we're going to be cutting a hole here for our light switch to go into. And we'll need a saw to do that. I showed you the keyhole saw in the instructions. I'm going to use my Leatherman saw because it just does the same thing. It's a little bit more convenient for me, and it's something I always have on my belt, and it works very easily. The keyhole saw will also do a very good job of it. But before we start with that, we have to make a hole so we can get the keyhole saw or the Leatherman saw through. So what we're going to do, we're going to use a spade bit. This one's a 3/4 inch spade bit. And we're going to make a hole here, make a hole here. And then we're going to use the saw to cut out the lines. So you want to cut it so that the line of the circle is just on the lines of your square rectangle. One there. That's a little bit too high. Let's go a little bit lower. Excellent. Now, the important thing to remember is that our light switch cover plate covers a lot. So we don't have to be too worried about exactly being perfect. We do our best. That's all we've got. Cut out. We don't need the tape anymore. We can take all the tape off. And our switch is going to fit right in there. And it's going to give us a little bit of play so that we can move it just in case it's not quite exactly where we want it. We can move it up or down just a little bit. We move it side to side, and we'll be able to make sure that it's nice and straight. And we'll show you that in the next shot.